everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Ida Helis. In today's video, I'm going to be doing 25 facts about me so you guys could learn a little bit about me. And this video is going to be recorded in 4K. I'm just going to be giving some random facts, so it's not going to be in any particular order or anything like that. I'm just going to be throwing some random facts about me here and there. I'm just going to go right into the video just because I have a feeling this might be a long video. Just keep on watching. One fact is that I am Dominican. I was born and raised over there. I came when I was like about 9 or 10, I believe. Yeah, I was like born and raised over there. I am an Aquarius. I was born on February 15th. So my birthday's right after Valentine's Day. So you already know I get two gifts. One for Valentine's Day and one for my birthday, which is great. I always thought, I'm like, oh my god, I want my birthday to be on Valentine's Day. But then I thought about it, but maybe it's not a good idea because then people would just buy one gift for my birthday and one for Valentine's Day. So actually I think it worked out better. Another fact about me is that I am 24 years old. I may look a little older, but I'm just 24. I was born in 1996. I'm a 90s baby. And I am the eldest of two siblings. So yep, I used to put them in their place and I used to be a snitch. Hi Yelani, hi Nino.
You're mad, I'm back, big mad, don't care, stay mad.
It was like the funniest thing to me. I used to sometimes snitch just because it was so funny. I need to stop. Like, it was just so funny to me. Another fact about me is that I have a strong accent, which a lot of people have already noticed. There are some words I can't say, like Europe. I'm trying to say Europa. Europe, I literally can't say. I try so hard. Europe. Europe. Like, I'm trying to say Europa.
Are you dumb, stupid, or dumb, huh?
And salty, like if something has too much salt, I can't say that, salty. And then the month of my birthday is another thing I can't say, February. Like, it's so hard. Like, I could try, but yes, my accent won't let me say those words. It's just like sometimes aggravating, but yeah. So I graduated from Brandeis University. I majored in biology. I graduated in 2018 and I currently work at a hospital here in Boston, and my end goal is to become a PA, a physician assistant. Hopefully in the near future I want to complete my master's and be able to go into PA school. One reason I keep looking down is just because I have all the facts on my phone just so I don't go off track. So my favorite holiday is Christmas just because I love like the whole theme of Christmas. I love Christmas trees, I love the lights, I love the fireworks. Well, let me take that back. The fireworks have been so, I don't even know the word. Fireworks have not stopped. Like, they have not stopped for like the whole month of, so I'm like sick and tired of fireworks right now. It's just been fireworks non-stop like for a whole month. It's just like from the morning all the way to the night. It's just like, do people not sleep? All these fireworks. And yeah, like I was saying, Christmas is just like so cozy, like hot chocolate, marshmallows. I love all that. So it's just like I like being comfortable. And my favorite animal is a dolphin. Like some people already may know this. I know a dolphin's not an animal technically, it's a mammal. Like I do know that, but they are my favorite. Like ever since I was little and I went to a resort and I was like swimming with them, I just been in love with dolphins. Like I just absolutely love them. If they could be my best friend, they would be my best friend. Like, that's how obsessed I am with dolphins. Those of you that are close to me, you guys already probably know this. Like, somebody will ask me, oh, what's your favorite pet? Actually, I don't have a pet. It's a dolphin. Like, that's just, like, what I will say. And just talking about animals, I am super scared of dogs, cats, insects. Probably every animal except dolphins. So, my favorite meal of the day is breakfast. I love breakfast in the morning and for lunchtime, for dinner, as a snack. I just love breakfast. I love pancakes, I love eggs, I love sausage, and it has to be turkey sausage for some weird reason. I do not like regular sausage, pork sausage. Like whenever I go to Dunkin' Donuts, I'd be like, oh, can I get a turkey sausage, egg and cheese on a plain bagel? And if they fuck up my order, I could taste the sausage is not turkey for some weird reason. Like I just love turkey a lot. Another fact about me is that I do not at all like peanut butter or carrots. And not together, obviously. Like, just like the smell of peanut butter just makes me sometimes feel sick. And I know a lot of people love peanut butter, but I'm just somebody that I do not like peanut butter at all. and carrots as well. I used to like, my mom told me that I used to love carrots. I used to eat the carrots like the whole thing when I was little, but for some reason right now I do not like carrots at all. And something weird is that I love peanuts, but I don't like peanut butter. Isn't that weird? Is there anybody else out there that has the same issue? Like, I just like don't like peanut butter at all. Like, one spoon of that and I'll probably go throw it up. Like, it's disgusting to me. Another fact about me is that I love going to the movies, and not to watch a movie. I like going to the movies because of the popcorn. I love popcorn. Like, you could give me a bag of popcorn and I'll literally be the happiest person in the world. Like, I just love popcorn so much, which is the main reason I go to the movies, to eat popcorn. And then there's my Aggie ass husband just eating his hot dogs all the way. And my favorite season is winter. I just like love, like I said, the whole theme. I love the cozy weather. I love the sweater. I love the hoodies. I love the sweatpants. And then one thing I love, which like I don't love when it's like I have to drive, but I love snow. I do love snow. The snow is just so pretty to me. It's like not pretty the like days after when it gets like super dirty, but I just like love the whole winter. Just like I like being cold. Like, I may complain here and there. I'm like, oh my god, it's so cold, but I do like that. I prefer the cold. Like, summer, I just like don't like sweating at all. Like, it just makes me feel like I'm suffocated in there. Another thing about me is that I am terrible, like super duper terrible at sports. Like, I could try. Like, my dad, he took me to a baseball team, and I literally, all I had to do, I hit the ball when I was playing softball. I hit the ball, and then all I had to do was run to first base, and guess what I did? I literally ran over the base and fell in front of everybody. You know how embarrassing that is? I literally suck at sports. It's just like so bad. I literally don't know how to run. Like, on gym class, oh my god, through high school, on middle school, elementary school, gym class, I used to make the most excuses to run. Like, I used to be like, I have my period, I have a cramp, I can't run right now. I used to make the most excuses just because I know how awful I run. I just like, I don't know what's wrong with me. I really don't. Another random fact about me is that I love fries. It could be by itself. I could eat fries with anything. I literally love fries. Like, I could go to BK's, McDonald's, any local spot, pizza shop, anything. I love fries. Like, I just love fries. It could be seasoned, salty. You guys see, I can't say the word salty. Yeah, it could be any type of fries. I just love fries. Fries with anything or even by itself. One of my pet peeves is people that be chewing their gum super loud. They be like, you know how, oh my god, even me making that sound makes me like irk inside. Like, I just hate that sound for some reason. I just hate it. And like, I tried sometimes. There was this time, me and my husband, we were taking an Uber, and the Uber driver, he was like chewing gum, like the loudest I ever heard in my life. And I just looked at my husband, I'm like, am I the only one that's listening to this? And he looked at me, he's like, what are you talking about? And then I guess he concentrated on the chewing of the Uber driver that he just started laughing. And I'm like, oh my god, it's like so obnoxious. Like, I just hate it. Another fact about me is that I used to do pageants. Not anymore. I'm not really into that anymore. So yeah, I think it was when I did my only first pageant. I was 17 years old. I used to be in modeling class. My mom put me in modeling class just because she wanted me to be a little bit more comfortable with myself. I'll say, like, more comfortable with myself. So she put me in modeling class. That helped me a little bit. I always been like a shy girl. So like, that was like out of my comfort zone. So I did do a pageant, and thankfully, like, I did win the pageant. That was the only pageant I did, but it was like I'll say, it was like out of my comfort zone. Like, pageants is definitely not my thing, but during that time when I was 17 years old, I was enjoying like I guess the attention that it was bringing, like, here and there. Another like weird fact about me is that I prefer the pool over the beach, like 100%. Like, I just love pools. Beaches are nice. It's just because like I like jet skiing, so like obviously you have to do that at the beach. But it's just like, sometimes the beach is just like the sand, it just like everywhere, sand everywhere, and like even to swim on the beach is just like salt on your eyes or anything. Like, I like the vibe of pools. I feel like it's cleaner. Just like a weird random fact about me. I love pools and way more than the beach. Another fact about me is that I don't know how to swim at all. So If you left me there on 6 feet high water, I'll drown. All I know how to do, honestly, is float to my back. So if I feel like I'm about to drown, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna float. I'm just gonna float until somebody saves me, because I really don't know how to swim. I'll just stay there. Like, you know the thing you do when you're swimming, like when you wanna float, I mean, you just be like this and looking up like that. Yeah, that's all I know how to do. So if I am in a situation, God forbid, that's what I'm gonna do. So one of you guys need to save me, because I do not know how to swim. So another weird thing is that I used to be terrified, like terrified of driving. I literally got my license, I believe, when I was 18, and I failed 3 times. I failed my exam 3 times. I was terrified of driving. Like, I just hated it. Honestly, I just went to get my license just to get an ID, because I needed an ID. And I didn't want to get a state ID. I just felt like, I might as well try the driver's license. And yeah, I went to driving school. My mom thought I was able to pass the test, like I was driving good. But I was just like, internally, I just felt super scared of driving. Like, it was like months me practicing, going to driving schools. I basically spent a lot of money taking driving schools because I was so terrified. I was just like, not letting go of my fear. I was just like, I couldn't. I'm like, honestly, I didn't like to drive. I like hated it. Like, anytime I'm like, someone's like, oh, take the wheel, like let's drive to the mall, let's drive here. Oh my god. And let's drive through the highway. The highway used to be like, I don't know, like a monster to me. It was just like super scary. I hated going to the highway. Like, it was just like my heart used to go like, this is how it was. I was like super scared, like terrified. And yeah, and then I got my first car last summer, actually. I lost a little bit of that fear. I've been driving ever since, so I feel way more comfortable than I was, of course. And thankfully, like, I let go of that fear that I used to have of driving. Another fact about me is that I hate bugs, I hate insects, I hate anything that flies. Like, it's just like, well, not a bird, but you know what I mean, like insects. Oh my god, like it could be something flying up, and all you see me is like this, trying to move, and like all you see me is like moving everywhere, like scream. I could literally scream because of a bug. That's how terrified I am. Another weird thing about me is that I am not a heavy drinker. I'm not really a drinker at all, not even a heavy drinker. I could social drink here and there, but drinking is not like something I do often. Like, I could be at a party and I could drink a little bit, some liquor here and there, but it won't be like, oh, I'm by myself, let me drink something. Like, I'm not like that. So yeah, I would say I drink socially here and there. And another thing is how my favorite movies would be rom-coms or mystery and suspense. So sometimes I might be in the mood to watch like a romantic comedy, and some other days I might be like, oh, actually no, I want to watch like mystery, suspenseful movies. And that will be the same thing for TV shows. Like, those will be my favorite things. Another thing about me is that I love trying new food. So I love trying and going and exploring new restaurants. I'm not a person that likes going, like, if I figure out like, oh, I like this restaurant, I don't like going multiple times. I actually like trying new spots, basically. I don't like going to the same restaurant over and over. I'm not that type of person. I like, even if I'm gonna eat the same food, like chicken parm, let's say, that's one of my top foods. I don't like eating it from the same spot. I like trying new spots just to see like what's out there, especially on vacations. Like, that's one of my favorite things. That's probably why I go on vacation and I come back with like 50 more pounds, just because I love exploring food. Yeah, like when I was in Florida and Las Vegas, me and my husband, we ate from so many local spots and like so many buffets and different type of restaurants, and I loved it. I like really love it, trying new food. That's one. Honestly, I think that's like, if somebody will ask me like what my hobby is, one of my hobbies is going to restaurants and trying new food, drinking here and there. And the last fact about me that some people might find shocking is that I am married. I got married on Las Vegas when I was 23 years old on September 2019. I know some people are like, you're married? Like, I feel like that's like when I be like, oh, my husband did this, my husband did that. Even people at work sometimes are like, you're married? I'm like, yeah. And they're like, oh, shoot, I didn't know, I thought you were 24. I'm like, yeah, I am 24, but I am married. And like, I feel like the second question that comes is like, do you have any kids? No, I don't have any kids. We just decided to get married. We don't have any kids at all. In the near future, when I finish my school and all that, then that's when I will think about kids and all of that. So that's all the facts about me. Hopefully you learned a little bit. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like and comment down below what you guys thought of these facts. If you guys have any questions, just leave them down below. And click the bell down below so you could keep updated whenever I post anything. And yeah, we're done. That was the whole video.